Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Skeem Saam, the July 2025 teaser. We know we love Skeem Saam, and it's one soapy / telenovela that does not get out of fashion. So with that said, can we start with what's coming up on Skeem Saam this July? 1st July, Preeti's joy is short-lived when Lehasa begins to question her business acumen. After standing firm for so long, Nora makes the call that changes everything. Clement intrigued when he overhears Mantuli talking about a party. Wednesday the 2nd of July. Lehasa finds Peterson in a possession of his most valuable asset. Tensions brew as Mantuli overhears Clement's hurtful words. Evelyn is shocked by Mosebeyadi morning routine. Oh, I wonder what is the morning routine. Ya Mosebeyadi. Okay. Thursday the 3rd of July. Preeti arrives home for her graduation party, but brings bad news with her. Menir Seletisha is stunned by a piece of information he didn't know about Evelyn. Friday the 4th of July. A graduation celebration takes place at the Siakamela house. Evelyn's heart breaks when she learns that how sad Mosebeyadi's situation is. The Khomus are ready to take the next step with a big family purchase. Are they buying a house now? Monday the 7th of July. Lehasa's efforts to steer the ship in the right direction ends in chaos. Things seems to be rosy in one teacher's home. Preeti finally comes clean with her mother. Tuesday the 8th of July. Lehasa imparts valuable lesson to Preeti. Mosebeyadi pulls away after Evelyn's outburst. A father is overwhelmed with emotion upon reuniting with his son. Could that be Lehasa? Wednesday the 9th of July. Tension fills the room when Lehasa bumps into Nkosi. Preeti gets a verbal warning at work. Salamina stresses over Aprendo's costly request. Kanti basase Aprendo bantwana. Thursday the 10th of July. Preeti reaches a breaking point under Lehasa's relentless pressure. Relentless pressure. A heartfelt confession strengthens the bond between Evelyn and Mosebeyadi. The Khomus find a reason to celebrate after enduring difficult times. Friday the 11th of July. Lehasa gives Preeti an ultimatum. Evelyn encourages Mosebeyadi to dream bigger, while Salamina finds a way to resolve a bad situation. Monday the 14th of July. A stranger roams unnoticed in turf. Lehasa battles inner demons while Preeti asserts herself. Evelyn confronts a harsh reality about her son. Tuesday the 15th of July. Mapiti is grateful when Tipos considers her plea. Lehasa receives more damning news while dealing with PTSD. Stoge and Mosebeyadi comfort Evelyn, who is having a hard time dealing with her jail visit. Wednesday the 16th of July. Preeti offers to help Lehasa clean up the mess, but he opts for help from a Dr. Blue. Tibos goes back on his word to Mapiti, insulting her in the process. Thursday the 17th of July. Phumulo plants a seed of doubt in Lehasa's mind about Dr. Blue's intentions. Thank you, Phumulo. Thank you. Rosina stoops to her lowest, bullying Mosebeyadi in front of other learners. Friday the 18th of July. Darika threatens to unalive Rachel's entire family if she fails to deliver on her promise. Rachel didn't come back, guys, from Cuba rather, with a degree, a doctorate as a medical doctor, right? She just came back as a mule. That's a story for another day. Let's continue. Preeti suspects Lehasa is playing her for a fool. Evelyn defends Musabiadi in front of the teacher. Monday, 21st of July. Alfred delivers breaking news to Rachel about Charles. Preeti discovers a disturbing truth about Lehasa's Knysna trip. Did Lehasa go with Dr. Blue? Yo, guys, the Skeem Saam. Clement battles self-doubt but finds inspiration from an unexpected mentor. 22 July. Mahlati overhears something that's not meant for his ears. Preeti discovers the shocking power and prestige of her rival. Wednesday, the 23rd of July. Preeti decides to enroll in a business course to salvage her relationship with Lehasa. Alfred threatens to send Rachel to jail. Evelyn is touched when Musabiadi expresses her gratitude. Thursday, the 24th of July. Phumulo wants Lehasa to marry Dr. Lauren Blue instead of Preeti. Ay Phumulo ke le mene mana soka. Clement may have set himself up for failure. Letetwe has an unpleasant surprise for Salamina and the Kunutu's elders. Friday, the 25th of July. Clement's recklessness reporting gets him into serious trouble. Musabiadi lies to Evelyn to avoid returning home. Monday, the 28th of July. Rachel fails to meet Darika's deadline and suffers the consequences. Nora confronts Evelyn at school about her daughter. Tuesday, the 29th of July. Clement refuses to retract his public statement about Bra Boykie. Clement. Rachel suggests a risky plan to move the product. Wednesday, the 30th of July. A university student falls victim to Rachel's scheme. Clement receives an unaliving threat. Could it be from Darika? Alfred discovers the identity of the people who betrayed him. Hey, this is Shuba. Thursday, the 31st of July. Leto questions his sanity when a ghost from his past steps out of the shadows. Fly cautions Rachel about high stakes involved in selling the Zitagamiswa to the students. Clement's apology backfires. We all know Clement by now. But this is what's going to be happening on Skeem Saam in July. Premiere episodes of Skeem Saam air on SABC 1 from Monday to Friday at 19:30. So be tuned in and let us enjoy Skeem Saam together. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you get bored, do not hesitate, but go watch my previous videos. I love you. Peace. Bye.